Video from DVF Print about how to change the graphic in an interchangeable pull-up banner. The tools required are a rubber mallet and a flathead screwdriver. If you don't have a rubber mallet, tape a rag to the top of a hammer, it will do the same job. First thing we need to do is to take the sides off the banner mechanism. So by lifting the graphic out slightly and holding it with my thumb, I can open the banner, pull the hole out. You'll see the two thumb screws, one each side. Remove those carefully, keeping them because you will need them later. I'm holding this to stop it springing in because this is under tension. With your thumb, pull it out from the top. I always take that and throw it in there to keep it in place. Again, same at this side. Using our thumb, roll it back at the top, it will come out. So at this point, we're going to extend this top out and put this pin back in through this hole to hold this while we change it. So my colleague is going to extend that out for me, thank you. Go ahead. Okay, you need to pull it a little bit past where it was and find the hole. There it is there. That's now locked in position. The next thing we do is, this is where the screwdriver comes in. We're going to open the clamp at the bottom, and that's done by lifting this flap running along here. And that's it. And once the flap is lifted, you can then just simply pull the graphic out. At the top, get your screwdriver into the groove and just turn it every foot or so. Removing these first. Turn it every foot or so. And when it opens, it will come straight out. So you now have the existing graphic out. Unfurl your new graphic. Ensure that the top is getting the top mechanism and that the end of it is, the foot of it is going into the mechanism. These are two sliding extrusions, so make sure that they are balanced. So by putting it on the table, making sure that they're even. With your fingers holding the extrusion open, slide it along the leading edge, coming to about 3 or 4 millimeters at the edge. This is where your mallet comes in. Lastly, we take our two rubber bunds. They'll go in the sides there and there. We'll then bring this all the way down. Take the foot, pull it from left to right so that it's nice and straight, and slide it into the groove, going left and right, applying pressure towards yourself, making sure that it's balanced left to right, the same amount of space each side. When you're happy, run all the way along with your thumbs, putting downward pressure to close the clamp. And that's now done. So then we're going to undo what we've just done in terms of taking this pin out and putting it back under tension again. Pin comes out. Tell your colleague to take the tension. Let the spring go easily. Thank you. Close the back. The opposite of what we did before, hold the back. Put your pin back in so you have it for the next time you need it. It just goes in like so. Offer that up. Do the same on both sides. Bring your thumbs, screws back in place. complete.